Assalamualaikum. How is everybody today? Okay, today you're gonna be with me, Teacher Noor, for art and craft. So for our art and craft today, we're going to do art and craft with toothbrush. Okay, now I have two used toothbrush. Okay, we need two. Okay, so I have art paper which I have cut into two, and I draw a frame using a marker pen, or you can also use crayon or color magic. And I have watercolor, and I have yellow. What color? Yellow, yes. Orange, black, green, red, and blue. I have also water and tissue rolls. So let's start. Let's have fun. So parents, you can guide your children. You can also give them a minimum physical prompt, or just instruct them to do. Okay, so let's do this. First, we dip the toothbrush into the watercolor, and then we're going to use another toothbrush using the end and hit the toothbrush with watercolor. Ready? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we go. Let's play with color. Let's get creative. Let's have fun. Okay, so just hit the toothbrush. Okay, hit and hit and hit. Use all your strength, children. Okay, mommy and daddy, don't forget to guide your child. So I'm going to dip into the water to clean my toothbrush. Okay, tissue paper or tissue roll. Let it clean. Get the water out. Okay, now let's take yellow. Yellow color. Again, use the other toothbrush and hit it. Okay, let's have fun. Let's be creative. Let's get messy. Okay, so just hit it. Ketuk, ketuk, ketuk. Okay. Okay, you can use green. Green. Let's get messy. Let's have fun. Fun, fun, fun. Right. I'm done. Alright. So, let's see the result. Ta-ra! Okay. So, once finished, you can hang your art. Alright. So, I hope you enjoy my lesson, and I hope to see you guys tonight. Okay, so have fun. Now, don't go out unless necessary. Wash your hand often. Okay, exercise. Don't watch too much TV. I hope to see you again. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.